So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the first look at the writing guide for the academic module of IELTS, presented to you by IELTS Breakthrough. Now, this is an ebook that you can download at www.ieltsbreakthroughwriting.com. But I thought I'd make this video to show you exactly what you can get when you purchase this book. So let's just take a quick look. Here is the cover, and I'll open it up and show you the contents page. And as you can see, there are four main sections to this writing guide. The first section talks about the task 1 answer and how you should answer it. It gives you all of the tips and the key vocabulary, the key grammar, all of the strategies and techniques that you need to know in order to produce a really good task 1 answer. And as well, of course, in this section we will cover all of the kind of task 1 questions that you'll get, which might be pie charts, tables, maps. Everything is covered there. Then section 2, of course, looks at how to answer the task 2, and once again we look at a lot of the tips and strategies that you need to know to provide a really good high scoring answer for the task 2 essay. We will look at how to brainstorm your ideas. We will look at how to structure your answer into paragraphs, how to organize those paragraphs, and how to show the relationship between your ideas. Everything is there, all that you need to know. Then, the last two sections, although there's only 3 parts to them, this is quite a big part of the book. The book is about 250 pages, by the way, and the last 2 sections I've called skills development. So, firstly, of course, skills development on task 1, and for this task there are, 23 sample questions to show you exactly how to answer these kind of questions. And for each of this question there is a practice exercise that will help you to improve your skills, and finally you can check how to write a really good answer using the sample answers there. And then the final section is even bigger. This is the skills development section for task 2, and in this one there are 36 sample questions that you can look at, which cover a whole range of possible topics that you might have to write an essay on. Just like with task 1, you will get a practice exercise for each question, and each question has a sample answer so that you can see exactly what you need to do in order to answer a really good, provide a really high scoring answer to the exam. So this is the book, and if you'll see, I've spent a lot of money to make sure that the presentation is really nice and professional and easy for you to read. So I've put things in boxes. As you can see here, there are key points that are highlighted. And if we just turn the pages here, this is task 1, going through all of the key strategies that you need to know. As you can see, there's lots of sample questions provided and a discussion on how to answer these questions. And you've got space to make notes here as well. And there are some individual practice exercises as well. This is moving on to the task 2. Once again, looking at some important examples here. As you can see, it's beautifully presented and really easy for you to follow. You can start anywhere you like. So here on this page we have a sample question on this side, and then on this side you can see there is a practice exercise there. And if we go through, so there are line charts for the practices, notes, all sorts of things. And then if I turn the page even more, we have the task 2, how strategies. This is an example question for the task 2, and as you can see, there is a practice exercise here as well. It's all there. So at the end, we have the sample answers here. Just turn to the end. There you go. So this is the section with the sample answers for the questions there. So this is an invaluable resource for you. All you need to do is go to the website www.ieltsbreakthroughwriting.com, and you can download this book as a PDF and be ready to get a high score in the writing test for the academics IELTS module.